Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix camera not working issue on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to fix this issue, just open settings, then go to apps. Now from here, just tap on camera, then go to storage. From here, just select clear cache and clear all data. Now just select delete. After that, just go back and tap on permissions. And from here, just make sure you give the camera app all the necessary permissions. Especially make sure you give the camera app the permission to the camera and the permission to the microphone. After that, just go back and tap on the three dots. Then select Reset App Preferences. Now just select Reset. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Then tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now if this did not fix your issue either, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. And from here, just check if the option of sensors off is enabled on your smartphone or not. If the sensors option is enabled, just disable sensors off. And once you disable this option, just check if this fixes your issue or not. And if this did not fix your issue either, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix camera not working issue on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.